Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Welcome to Thanksgiving. We're starting to get a bit of a breeze here in Lafayette, an indication that that cold front is coming through. Most areas have already reached their daytime highs, and we'll see some falling temperatures a little bit later on this afternoon. A quick look at our sky cam. We've got a lot of cloud cover out here this morning, and the breezes are starting to pick up. There are a few showers that are on the radar, and that may impact some early morning travel. You can see on the traffic cams here, most of the roadways are dry, but there are a few widely scattered showers that are coming along with the front. Most of those will occur a little bit farther toward the east, so if you've got some traveling to do this morning, I think you'll be okay, but just remember you might see a couple of slowdowns due to those showers. Now, as the front comes through, most of the region is running in the 60s to near 70. But later this afternoon, those temperatures will start to tumble as the front kind of slides off toward the southeast. Thunderstorms are going to be more likely over toward Mississippi and Alabama, while some light showers will stick around locally. I've got a little bit of mist here in the mid-city area of Lafayette right now, but that zonal flow pattern is going to kind of sink a little bit farther toward the south. So with this low moving off to the east and dragging a cold front with it, it will start to tap into some of that much colder air that's across the middle and the upper parts of the country, and then the pattern is going to shift considerably farther to the south. So even though we're going to see a break from any rain over the weekend and some generally clear skies, I do think the next system is going to develop a little bit farther to the south, maybe through the Rio Grande Valley, and move across the Gulf of Mexico as we head into next week, bringing our next chance for rain. That upper level pattern, again, for the most part, is zonal flow, a bit of a trough over the Great Lakes region. I think a pretty strong ridge is going to be building out in the west, so we are going to be seeing more of a pattern change coming up here over the next several days, with warmer weather in the west and cooler weather in the east. There's the front as it continues to slide off toward the southeast. Those areas along the coast should see that pushing into the offshore waters, but some cloud cover is going to return, although I do think we'll see a few breaks in the clouds as we head into the afternoon as those blustery conditions start to kick in. There's the surface forecast as the front pushes southward. The rain chances will also shift out into the Gulf of Mexico, and a cold dome of high pressure is going to be building in and sticking around all the way through the weekend. Afternoon highs, well, I think we're going to see morning highs today, with temperatures dropping into the 50s area-wide later this afternoon, and most of us will be in the mid-40s as we wake up on Friday, but those temperatures aren't going to recover a whole lot. I think upper 50s will be the best we'll do as we head into Friday afternoon as that cold air continues to transport southward. And unfortunately, not any good boating conditions either. We have small craft advisories posted as those winds will be gusting out of the north and northwest at about 20 to 25 knots. Although skies will be cloudy in the nearshore waters, they're pretty clear farther to the south. Still watching the western Caribbean, but each and every day it's looking less likely that we're going to see any tropical development down there. So that is good news. Hopefully we're finished with hurricane season. National Hurricane Center not showing anything for the next week or so. Your high, well, we've already hit that. That's going to be in the upper 60s to near 70 for most locations. I think as we get into the mid-afternoon hours, temperatures will be in the 50s. We'll drop to 46 later tonight. Only recovering to 58 tomorrow, and it's still going to be kind of breezy out there. So even with full sunshine, if you're in the shade, it's going to feel quite cold. It will be cold and maybe even a bit frosty for our extreme northern sections going into Friday night, with overnight lows around 38 degrees and then highs only reaching 60 on Saturday, and it looks like it's going to be staying chilly on Sunday as well. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana weather today. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on those notifications. And don't forget that you can hear my forecast daily on Big 102.1, Planet Radio 106.7, and Freedom 95.1. And in between all those, please follow my social media pages both on Facebook and X. And make sure you tell your friends about Acadiana Weather Today on YouTube and have them become a subscriber, just like over 3,300 folks have already done. Well, I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Hope everybody has a happy and safe Thanksgiving, and I will see you on Friday morning. Have a great day.